Nagbabalik po ang Republika. Kausap pa rin natin si Attorney Army Jane Borje. Siya ay dating commissioner ng NTC. Was the NTC before receiving pressures from even from the telecom companies?
Well, what do you mean pressures?
I knew you were going to ask that. Good and bad pressures.
Well, ang amin naman is we do receive pressures, no?
Oo.
Because there are things na ayaw din nila na
Okay.
they want to
Makuha nila.
Oo, 'di ba? Not just telecoms, even the broadcast
Industry.
sa industry. But it's really up to
The regulators.
Oh, the regulators.
Whether to accept it or not.
Balance
To
things.
balance it, okay. Okay. So, eto ngayon ang tanong. Minsan kasi ang pakiramdam ng mga ibang mga consumers, yung NTC natin ngayon, parang they're not actually watching after the welfare of the consumers. It's like as if sometimes they feel that the NTC is toothless sometimes.
As to being toothless, I think it's also something to do with the laws.
Okay.
That kasi imagine, Eric,
Oh,
RA 146,
Oo.
1937 yata ito noon.
oh,
Yun pa yung batas na Public Service Act,
okay.
where you rely or you follow the 200 pesos or 200 pesos a day or
Oh,
yung gano'n na maging toothless ka talaga if the penalty is only that much.
okay.
Di ba? Then you had the RA 7925 ba yun?
Oo.
Philippine Telecommunications Act in 1995.
Okay.
Unfortunately, hindi nila in-update.
Okay.
Di ba? So, balik ka din doon sa old law.
So what you're saying is dapat maamyendahan na or
Meron, even before I became NTC Commissioner, meron na yung law that should have updated or upgraded NTC
But-
and would have given NTC some more power to be really an effective regulator.
Pero ano
But up
nangyari?
to now, I think,
What
ewan
happened
ko,
to the law? Nakabinbin, natutulog?
hindi siya,
It has to be reintroduced under the new Senate?
gano'n ang mangyayari.
Naku, kung may senador na nakikinig na tumatakbo dyan, magandang bihikulo ito para manalo kayo. Isipin nyo kung tatayo kayo sa tribuna at sasabihin nyo, babaguhin ko itong batas na ito para bigyan ng poder o kapangyarihan ng NTC para talagang mapaluhod yung mga telecom companies na at mapasunod para sa kabutihan ng mga consumers.
In fairness, NTC is, di ba, is doing its best under this
Under the laws, no?
under the present laws.
Oo.
Trying its best.
Pero kulang.
Kulang talaga. Ako
Okay.
personally, I feel it's really kulang. Toothless nga.
So kailangan may mga dapat
Dapat talaga
Like what-
ipas na yung
like for example, yung mga penalties dapat akyatan.
yes. Isa yun. Dahil, I mean, imagine, Commonwealth pa nga eh.
Okay.
CA 146.
Oh, yes.
Commonwealth Act.
Commonwealth Act, yes.
So, syempre, yung 200 noon, baka ilang
Dapat lakihan na.
Oo, di ba? Magkano na yan ngayon? And then,
Alam nyo, itong katulad ng sinasabi ninyo, sabi ngayon ng NTC, kailangan ibalik yung malaking utang yata ng mga telecom sa consumers.
it's parang, there was this memorandum order issued by NTC.
Nako.
Nung sinabi kasi na nag-reduce yung interconnection access fee
Fees,
nila.
oo.
Oo. Sinabi ng NTC, kung nag-reduce siya,
Oo.
dapat reduce mo rin correspondingly
Yes.
kung ano yung ng kinukolekta mo direct from the consumers.
Correct. Oo.
Diba?
Oo.
And it makes sense.
Of course.
Fair lang.
Oo.
Oo, 'di ba? Para bang even sa ating oil, 'di ba? Pag
Oo.
ating gas, pag decrease mo
Dapat
rin.
baba lahat.
Pag nag-increase,
Oo,
nag-increase
oo,
din,
oo,
'di ba?
Oo.
Ang nangyayari, yun nga, nag-decrease. So, parang from 1 peso to 80.
Oo.
So, parang there's a certain amount na i-decrease.
Oo.
Hindi naman sinabi ng NTC kung ano talaga, yung sinasabi nilang deregulated, so
Oo.
they should not be dictated
Oo,
upon.
oo.
Ang sinabi lang, corresponding to the decrease, ganun din ang
Oo. So yun palang hindi naintindihan ng publiko. Na although they are deregulated, pero sundin nyo naman yung pagbaba ng presyo, dapat magpababa din kayo.
Di ba? Bakit din?
Ngayon ang
Bakit
sinasabi
hindi?
naman nila, pag ginawa nila yon, malulugi daw sila.
Ano naman?
Yun na nga yung
Do
pinagtataka.
you really believe that?
Yun na nga at sabi daw nila, yung mga improvements daw nila, na yung mga bagong mga projects daw na pinapatayo nila, baka daw mabinbin.
Ano yun?
Yun na.
Kaya nga nagkaka-congestion tayo dahil,
Parang
di ba?
hino-hostage yata yung consumer. Ganon ang nakikita ko, ha? Ewan ko lang, I might be wrong. Ano tingin niyo?
Kasi, if they had followed it immediately,
Oo.
baka hindi na siya, imagine mo.
Magpatong-patong.
Oh, meaning ganun kalaki talaga ang kinikita nila.
Oo.
Because after several, ilang ano lang ito, this is not naman as if 10 years ago.
Oo.
Magkano na, sasabihin nila, malulugi na sila.
Oo.
Ibig sabihin, ganun kalaki yung nakuha nila na hindi dapat.
Tapos may sinasabi pa sila na kung ipapatupad daw yung 5 seconds, ilan ba yung seconds na yun?
Six yata
6
yun,
seconds
6
na
seconds
pulse, ano?
pulse.
Imbis na 1 minute, mawawala na raw yung mga Unlitex, yung mga promo nila, ganon-ganon, at kawawa naman daw yung mga consumers. Imbis na mas mabuti pa yung mga Unlitex, mukhang mas maganda itong 6 seconds dahil you will be billed according to your actual usage, hindi ba?
It's not even actual.
Oo.
Kasi ang minimum is 6 seconds.
Kasi
Oo.
pwedeng 3 seconds lang,
Oo.
no? Every
Oo.
3 seconds lang, no?
Imagine kung sabihin mo lang, halika na.
Oo.
Then,
Oo.
tapos.
Patapos na. 6 seconds ka agad yun.
Oo, 6 seconds
Oo.
minimum yun,
Oo,
di ba?
Oo.
Noon kasi 1 minute.
1 minute.
Talo
Talo ka talaga, laking talo mo nun.
Tama
Oo.
lang yung 6 seconds.
Oo.
Di ba?
Oo.
Dahil kung sumobra naman, you can collect the next 6 seconds.
Correct,
So,
oo.
kung 7 seconds, 12 ka na.
Oo, naka-12. Oo.
Di ba? So-
Actually, bentahin na sa kanila yon.
Oo.
Oo.
Siguro ganun lang talaga ang business. Di ba?
Tapos, pinapalabas nila na mawawala yung mga Unlitex, tapos mawawala yung mga promo, kung yan ang susundin nila.
Because in the first place, bakit sila nagganon? Promo only. Di ba they wanted to get more and more
Yes.
customers?
Yes.
So, ibig sabihin, with more and more customers, hindi na sila magbibigay. Tingnan natin kung sinong mananalo. Kung sino talaga ang dumami ang... I mean, the Unlitex came because, remember of Sun?
Oh, yes.
Di ba?
Sila nagbukas ng merkado, oo.
Nagkaroon na sila ng 3 players,
Oo.
big players.
Some people are saying it's about time to open the market to 2 more or 3 more players.
Agree.
Kasi masyadong nado-dominate ng actually 2 players lang yata eh. Kasi yung
Two na
isa
lang,
binili,
oh. Two na
binili
lang
ng isa,
ngayon.
di ba? So dapat mga 3 more players para lalong bumaba yung presyo.
Correct. Ganito na lang. When Sun came in, di ba nagdumami yung mga unli-unli,
Yes,
yung mga
oo.
iba-ibang... Ang dami nilang mga ginawang
Mga promo.
treats, di ba?
Oo.
Oh, imagine if you had 4 of that.
Oo.
Oh, di lalo talagang
Babagsak.
sasaya ang...
Oo.
And in the end, it's the consumers that will benefit.
Oo.
Saka I don't think naman na malulugi sila just because of that.
Question. Papayagan ba ng Kongreso at ng NTC na bigyan ng mga frequencies ito? Yan ang tanong dyan. Kasi baka lumapit yung mga telecom companies at sabihin, wag mo nang bigyan ng mga frequencies o mga additional ito mga other players kasi kami bahala sa inyo.
Let me answer that with another question.
Okay.
If 94 million people will ask NTC, will ask Congress, will ask the Senate or of the Office of the President, do you think they will not give in?
Kasi ang nangyayari ngayon, mukhang ang telecom companies has a strong advocacy nilang gamitin kong term, has a strong advocacy group there na talagang medyo na natatanganan yung mga mambabatas natin. Yung iba NTC daw natatanganan kaya hindi daw nabibigyan ng franchise o ng frequency yung gustong mga pumasok. I don't know whether that's true, no? Na makakatulong sana sa mga consumers natin pag dumami yung mga players.
I still maintain it should really, we should also help ourselves as consumers.
Correct. Oo.
We should really be quite vigilant, very empathic about what we want.
But that needs organization. Kailangan may mag-organize niyan.
Organize natin.
Di ba? Lalo na ikaw, nandiyan ka kasi naintindihan mo yan. Ikaw ang dating NTC chairman, ano? At para talaga makatulong sa publiko dahil dati sa probinsya, I think you remember that, Armin, no? Lalo na tayo, lumaki tayo sa probinsya. Ang radyo ang nagbibigay ng saya, no? Yun ang basic na nagbibigay ng kasiyahan sa publiko, no? Yan lang naman ang radyo. Tapos nung pumasok ang transistor radio o yung stereo, lalong ikinisaya ng mga tao sa probinsya dahil talagang pinapalakas sa buong barangay, pinapaalam na may stereo set ka na. Ngayon, telepono na lang, text na lang ang nagbibigay saya sa ordinaryong Pilipino eh. So, it's a very crucial, a very important issue yung telephone talaga.
Yeah, if you notice nga, landlines noon, remember?
Oo.
When I was at NTC as hearing officer then, no, hindi pa sa there were a lot of complaints about 10 years, 15 years na naghihintay ng application nila sa isang telephone company na sinasabi nila hanggang
Kontrolado
ngayon,
kasi.
'di ba?
Oo.
Wala pa rin. What happened when we had several? 'Di ba sila nang pumupunta?
Bumibilis na sila.
Hindi, sila na yung nagtatanong,
Yes.
do you want to subscribe to a landline? That is really good. The competition is really good for the consumers.
Merong mga nagsasabi din na yung broadband deal for government, we should explore it para government will be able to have its own way to communicate all over the Philippines. Magkaroon ng sariling texting na walang anomalya, di ba? Ano tingin mo? I mean, so that the government will have its, di ba dati meron tayong GTS kasi, Government Telephone System. So, yung mayor, let's say, from Tuguegarao can talk to the mayor of, let's say, all the way from Hulosulu via computer or via texting, and then it will be the government system that will be funding
serving.
itself, no? Oo, no? So, parang left hand, right hand lang ang pera nito, pero it will be self-supporting. What do you think?
Agree ako dyan.
Agree ka?
Agree ako dyan, yes.
Di ba? It make para mabilis ang communication at decision-making process ng gobyerno.
Well, I don't know if you remembered, I was also once executive director of Patrol 117. And we had
Patrol 117,
yeah,
okay.
and we
DILG, no? DILG,
yes, and we
okay.
had that project,
Okay,
Sana,
oo. Maganda yung project na yan eh, oo.
na where there will be a backbone for the government. Government talaga ha, and then government offices will be subscribing doon.
Tapos buong
Will be
Pilipinas, ano?
servicing, yes, will be serviced by this backbone highway buong Pilipinas.
Di ba mas maganda yun? So that local officials will be talking to each other, quick response, police,
Yes,
fire trucks, medical services.
Parang you don't compete with private
Yes.
telecoms entities because you do not accept subscribers that are private
Yes,
individuals.
Purely government lang.
Purely government lang. Ako, that would be a very good program. But we had experience in the past, di ba? But that was supposed to be the idea.
But
That was supposed
a
to be
good
the
project
program.
should not be stymied by previous experiences.
Experience.
Oo. Kasi if it's a good project, dapat ituloy pa rin. Dapat tama yung tinitignan at tama yung
In
nilalakaran.
fact, I still have the study
Oo.
about that.
So, during your time, ano ba mga problema? Black calls,
Calls, drop
calls.
Even now, yung mga
Bakit nagkakaroon
spam
ng
message.
drop calls? Bakit nagkakaroon pa rin ng drop calls? Congested?
Well, di ba, just like, why do you have traffic?
Kasi
You don't have a highway, a road that you can use to travel.
And they should have done it a long time ago. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, because look what is happening to one
One network.
network now.
Oo.
Ngayon lang nagmamadali talaga.
Ayusin.
Dahil, ayusin. Parang sa akin kasi, we have a standard.
Okay.
We have a standard
Oo.
international, no, sa ITU. We also have a standard that we adopt in the Philippines. So, dapat, alam mo na ganito na dumadami ang number of subscribers mo, and alam mo naman na yung yung cell sites mo, yung mga equipments mo can service this many. Dahil alam mo naman yung mga ginagamit mong equipments eh. So if this can service this many, tapos dumadami na, correspondingly, dadamihan mo rin sana yung mga equipment mo. So if you don't do that, ganun talaga mangyayari.
Doon sa pag-establish ng cell sites, may say ang NTC dyan? Wala. Or they can put it anywhere?
Hindi mo naman, alam mo kung bakit hindi nag-aano si NTC. Of course, we issue permits, no?
Yes, yes,
Nag-apply ka. Pero normally, kung ikaw ang maglalagay, syempre, gagawin mo in such a way na maximize mo.
Okay.
Hindi ka maglalagay na
Dikit-dikit.
di ba? Ano mo yun.
Oo.
And then, of course, the peace and order. Kasi during our time, my time, at least, we had several problems where
Napasabugan.
binomba yung mga cell sites.
Okay.
So, these are things that the operators,
How did you handle that? Yung pag may, let's say, may isang area dyan nasa sabugan.
sa amin lang is we always ask, they always tell us ahead of time, no, na, or immediately.
Okay.
Sorry, not ahead of time.
Mga NPAs to, no?
Immediately
Mga
pagka
NPAs.
pagka nabomba yan, pinapasabi nila sa amin kaagad, they call us even after office hours because they do not want us to receive complaints na nawala ng service,
Oo.
di ba? Then, so we appreciate that. Ako, during my time, I appreciated that very much. And immediately what they do, nagpapadala sila ng mga
Engineers or whatever.
well, hindi, tinatawag nila yung parang yung
Team, parang isang team po para umayos doon.
equipment that can act as a cell site
Temporary.
temporarily
Okay.
para maano kaagad, mabalik
Ma-restore yung
ma-restore. And then in the meantime, they do something about the bombing, no? Yung kung anong gagawin.
Usually ito mga NPAs, mga NPAs ang gumagawa nito.
That's part of the problems that they're facing. So they had to improve on their security.
Hinihingan sila ng pera ng mga
Well,
NPAs
Parang contribution, di ba? So
Contribution.
that they will
para hindi guluhin. So, wow. Ang dami palang problema dito. So, doon sa black holes, that's because yung parang highway, communication highway, block na.
well, ang black kasi is when you're not able to come in.
Oo.
Di ba?
Kasi
Pagtawag
puno
mo,
na rin.
pagtawag mo, na kaagad busy na kaagad,
Oo.
hindi pa nga tapos yung
Eh,
pag-dial mo.
yung
Drop calls, yun yung
Sinas-
nag-uusap na kayo,
biglang putol.
biglang maputol. Alam mo, ano din yan,
Bakit napuputol?
ganun din, yung parang, di ba wireless tayo, di ba?
Oo.
Pag move mo,
Oo.
di ba?
Napuputol, oo.
Yung sa daming naka-queue,
Oo.
parang makaano ka lang, singit na yung ibang,
Yung iba.
ibang queued, dyan, calls.
What lessons can we learn from other countries that you would like to see introduced into the Philippines, let's say, for better consumer protection sa mga nagte-text?
Well, yun, isa, yung pinag-usapan natin earlier.
Oo.
Yun talagang sana, we'll make an effort to register.
Okay.
That's one, di ba?
Oo.
Then, ang pangalawang nakikita ko, meron namang standard, hindi, it's not as if nag-guess ka lang eh.
Oo.
Alam mo naman eh.
International standard na,
Oh,
no?
may standard yan.
Oo.
Comply with that.
Oo.
Di ba? Comply with that.
At ang nagre-resist, yung mga telecom companies are resisting actually not Philippine standards but international standards. This is what you were saying.
Yes.
Aha.
Although, of course, there are other countries, perhaps, no?
Oo.
But what I'm saying, I'm interested only in the Philippines eh.
Oo.
Na alam naman natin yun eh, meron naman. It's not as if nag-guess nga lang na
Oo.
if you get this many subscribers, what do you need to make a good standard of service? Huwag mo nang hintayin na masyado mo namang inaano yung kikitain or yung, di ba, yung expense compared to, dapat, i-ano mo yun, sa alang-alang mo yung convenience
Oo, ng
and
consumers.
service talaga to the consumers. After all, sa kanila nang gagaling yung kinikita mo eh.
Well, meron daw, correct me if I'm wrong, meron daw pending sa Court of Appeal, Supreme Court, in favor of the consumers vis-a-vis the telecoms. I don't know if you're aware of this. Na parang pinapabalik yata yung
Yeah.
Oo.
There is this na i-refund nga because
yung
of that
refund.
order.
Oo, yes.
Kaya lang, syempre, they can afford to go
All the way to the Supreme Court.
Supreme Court. So,
Oo.
ganun.
So naghihintay pa tayo sa
Even the six pulse charging,
pati yan daw, pending pa rin yan.
kasi providers question that in court.
Pero that goes way back to last December pa yata yun. And then,
So, once, I don't know.
once that order comes out from the Supreme Court, how is that? I mean, this is cost accumulating.
Kaya nga, di ba?
Oh.
It's as if you don't think you lose. I don't know.
Baka
Kasi,
maging katulad ng Smartmatic ito na inutusan ng Supreme Court, wala nangyari.
I hope not.
And then,
Kawawa naman yung mga, di ba?
in short, ang kalaban ng consumers dito, two big giants which have become already too gigantic na parang pag tinalo natin sila, parang tayo ang makakawawa dahil mawawalan tayo. Parang gano'n eh.
But I hope not. I hope naman na
You-
they will realize that, they became giants because of this.
Precisely. I hope the mentality of our public will not be in such a way na para bang, because we are just after what is right, no? Na para bang we will start thinking, we will end up shooting ourselves in the, ourselves in the foot, no?
No. That is where I'd like to,
Oo,
di ba? I'd like to
yun ang
go back
mentality
to
na
our,
dapat hindi dapat ganun.
Oo, na if we want something done for us,
For our own good, yeah.
we will not wait that they'll do it for us.
Oo.
we will have to work for it. We'll have to work for it. Alam mo naman na dapat eh.
Oo.
So, take the time to text.
Okay.
Kung nagko-complain ka, text your congressman, text your president, text your senator. Or if you need something from NTC, go see NTC.
Oo.
I don't think naman...
And support NTC.
Yes.
Tulungan niyo support
oh,
NTC.
Support NTC because NTC can help you.
Oo.
Support mo lang. Diba? Hindi na nga nakasusuportahan sa law.
Oo.
Eh, imagine if it's really these people, these consumers.
Question. Makakatulong ba kung may mga grupong mag-form sa likod ng NTC to support it imbis na batikusin ng NTC?
I agree.
Agree?
Yes.
Para lumakas ang NTC kontra doon sa mga telecoms pag hindi sumunod.
Tsaka, so that you'll know what can be done with the help of NTC.
Aha.
Hindi yung naghula-hula lang tayo eh.
Okay.
'Di ba yung mga sinasabi nila, you nag-load ka ngayon, natulog ka,
Tapos
next
nawala.
day nawala. Up to now, they keep on asking, dapat yan, alam na natin. 'Di ba?
Bakit
Dapat
nangyayari yun?
ini-explain yan. Ang akin ganun, if you are an informed and aware consumer, you are a powerful consumer.
Oh, yan. Yan na nga. With that, I'd like to end our program. Maraming salamat, Army Jane Borje, for magiging guest pa natin uli ito dahil yan ang advocacy niya. Wala na kasi si Joey De Venecia na tumatakbo for senator. So yan ang magiging advocacy ng dating chairman ng NTC. Thank you very much, Army.
You're welcome.
This won't be the last
Eric.
time. And kaya, ang advocacy ni Army, gusto niya, happy ka. Ito po si Eric Espina nagsasabing magmasid, makialam, higit sa lahat ay manindigan. Dahil wala pong magmamahal sa Pilipino kung hindi ang Pilipino.
Correct.
Daghang salamat, maayong gabi, kaninyong tanan.